So today's episode we are uploading and we have few quality issues with the video because we've been testing the footages with GoPro and iPhones, 2-3 iPhones. So guys, please sorry about that, but keep watching this video. We have a lot of fun things coming. So we have planned, it goes like morning taekwondo we have, and after that we have jury works.
We have a fun game.
Yeah, a really fun game. So guys, keep watching this. And we have Loki here. He was very much violent before taking this footage. He was trying to grab the GoPro, but yeah, now he's cool. We have given him some ice cube. The gate was open and he wanted to go out.
Yeah.
So guys, that's it. So guys, we are restarting our routine. We're getting back to our timings and starting the taekwondo. So we wake up at 6 now. And feeling sleepy also, not like usuals. After a long time, getting back to the same timing is very difficult. I feel like that. So let's see how much intense we can go today. She's not waking?
No, she's dead.
And if you see, everyone is sleeping here.
Good morning.
Hey, sleepy head.
Going.
It's 6:40. What the time?
6:46.
Oh yeah, come on. Rio has set up.
Yeah. In 3 minutes we'll start the taekwondo.
Sure. Come on, she'll come in 3 minutes. Guys, okay, while we're setting up, I think we're going to be doing boxing today.
We have kickboxing. We're going to use our gloves today. After warm-ups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position. Come on. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just 10 seconds ago. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. And wrist rotation. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And position. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then try this. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then.
Today we're going to do push-up.
Okay, push yourself back. Come on back. Go down. Get front. Yes, good job. Go down. Up. Yes, come on. So try to get up, keep and your shoulder press. Okay, same level. Go. Yes, go. Yes, go. Yes, come on. Yes, go. That's come on, go. Go. And relax, okay. Set up. Okay, watch out.
So guys, today we're gonna do boxing. So we have our gloves all ready. So we're going to try it out today. So let's see how it goes.
Time for boxing.
Kickboxing time.
That's what you do. That's what boxers do. They do it in film.
This one.
See, I'm not
Now you go
in
in
the
okay.
Like-
But once you're
Shit.
okay. So but right now you don't need.
Okay. We didn't reach. You need to keep.
I think there is a small cut in my finger. It's paining.
Yeah. Hold on your. You have to keep this right. Stretch.
No, Nikita, you can lock, zap, and locking. Let's close and twisting. So, see Nikita, when we here. Zap, locking, cross, switch the leg and kick. Okay?
Okay.
Turn leg.
Okay. Cross. Switch. Jab. Jab. Cross. Switch your leg.
Come on, yes. Yeah, come on.
Jab. Faster. Cross. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross.
Yes, go, come on.
Cross. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Jab. Cross. Move your body. Okay. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross. Jab. Cross.
Oh, and you guys understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, keep working.
Jab. Cross. Push.
Ma'am, you guys can move it inside. Can you check it on the side?
Sorry?
Can you just check it? We're doing it right?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on a second. Anita, please, look for active. Go to start.
Don't go that backwards. That cross.
Yes, come on. Keep trust it properly, guys. Trust it properly.
Okay.
Hands away from your body. It's hurting to stop.
Come on. Keep bending down. Tell me if you
Kicking mouse.
Those things are paining actually. The pad is pretty much good.
Straight.
I'm like killing you back with my nice one. Let's take back on. It's going up. We'll do it here, okay? Punch me here.
Yes.
Okay?
So going up.
Ready?
Only forward and reach up. Then you
Take off your gloves.
yeah, right. You want to remove it? Time to remove it.
After you guys will pay here or anything.
So guys, today's boxing was so good. It was new experience with gloves.
Yeah.
But what? How was the experience with gloves?
Actually, this became
So
red.
we are there.
And it became red.
It's little uncomfortable because
It was slippery and ticklish for me.
when she came, it was like coming out of my hands.
Suffocated inside.
It's
a little
hot
stiff
inside. We need to get used to it. Basically, we used hands all these days. Now we need to get the
But
movements.
hands were so good, man.
Yeah.
That thing is not coming, but obviously we learn how.
Yeah. And
But it's
tomorrow
a good
is
experience. Like
weightlifting
previously, we don't
and
have any
yeah.
other things.
Oh, both together.
Right? This is overlapping speech.
It's fine.
So guys, tomorrow it's weight training and core, and because we missed a lot of classes and because of our end term examination going on, we have to get back to our intense training. We were going in a good flow, great flow, but now we are a little bit weak.
Yeah.
So
Even stretches were difficult.
Very difficult, yeah.
Close the flow.
Yeah.
Because of one. We need to get back.
We'll get back.
We'll get back, guys. So we'll get back to work.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, this is mango from Zoe's home. Dhruv, which is his type?
I don't know the type.
Banginapalli.
Banganapalli.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it looks like Banganapalli, so it's Banganapalli.
Banginapalli mango, guys.
It's
Yeah, it
super
smells
tasty. We always wait for Zoe to bring mangoes from her home. Last time she bought a very big one.
This time the yield is really less, so I had to literally fight with my mother to get like 2 or 3. So yeah.
Oh my god, this smells so good, man.
Nice.
While peeling, I'm scared I'll waste mangoes. I'll even eat these peels. So we have 2 more, but it's not ripe enough. So I'm gonna cut this. Wow, this knife just melts into it.
Nice.
Guys, mangoes are the most, exotic. We don't know inside here. We usually get mangoes in the season, but outside this is the exotic fruit.
This
And-
is so orange. Can I taste one, please?
Yeah, sure.
I'll just take this.
I can see Grace's mouth watering.
I'm waiting.
How's it? How's it?
Good. So good.
Shit,
This
this
is
is
so
so
good.
orange. This is so nice.
That's mango.
This is organic, right?
This is so we have a small, not a farm. I wouldn't call it a farm, but a small space wherein we have a lot of these
Mango
sapota, mango, jackfruit, gooseberry, and things like that. So this is from that.
I'm lucky today, guys. For having this organic ripe mango.
Well, put in a plate, put in a bowl, and have it, guys.
Everybody got more.
Okay, come on.
Oh fuck, this is good.
And as a reward, I'm going to take this.
As a reward for?
For cutting the mangoes, peeling it.
Yes. I'm not able to pay.
Because not everybody got a taste.
This is the best feeling, guys.
That is
You should have mangoes like it's, it's all over you.
Yeah.
And you're.
without cutting we used to have.
After taekwondo, organic fresh mango.
Oh my god. There is this kind of mango which is very pulpy inside, juicy inside, and you just need to you don't even have to peel it. You just need to drink it.
Just make a hole. Just drink it from inside.
So today we are busy with our college works, and as you can see, everyone is in the sunlight area, rolling in the floor and trying to finish their works as soon as possible. So I'll show you what they're doing. So here we have Drakes.
Yes. Today we have pattern making submission. Basically, it have 2 parts. First, we do the patterns on the paper,
Okay.
and then convert it into muslin, and then put it on the dress form. Sorry, 3 parts. So I think all of us are done with pattern making, and then we cut the patterns in muslin. Now I'm pinning it so that it will be easy to put it on dress form later. Nev is tracing the patterns.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of pins. It looks like some pin embroidery.
Like surface development with pinning.
That's a creative idea.
Yeah, that is. I'm redoing her sleeve pattern.
Yeah, I lost my sleeve pattern and I'll have to redo this. So this is my flared sleeve pattern. I redid this, and now I'm tracing all my paper patterns into muslin, and then I'll fix them on the dress form, pin them, and then click pictures, do the documentation, and submit. That's it.
Done with my work. This is my A-line dress with pocket, plackets, puff sleeve, back. Never in process.
Yeah, I'm attaching my sleeves.
How much more?
I have to attach sleeves and also a pocket.
Okay.
And then I'll be done.
Okay. Oh, this is flare sleeve, right?
Yeah, this is the flared sleeve.
So this work we did it for GC also. The same thing we are doing it for pattern making.
Yeah.
This Drix work. It's not in a good condition. What happened to this
There is some problem with the collar.
collar? Okay, she's also completed her work.
Yeah, I'm documenting right now.
Good. Where is your sleeve? Okay.
This time my sleeve is downwards.
Okay. At last.
Added a patch pocket.
Patch pocket.
Yeah, this is the patch pocket. Simple pocket.
Yeah.
And collar, normal sleeves with a again sleeve placket. It should be folded like this.
Yeah.
So that's it, pretty much simple.
Okay. So our college work. 2 more juries left for us. Yes. No. Okay. We have 2 more. These people are working. You have any college work?
I will soon have college work. Soon, very soon.
Grace, very. Really sitting?
Huh?
You are free now, right?
I have final submission after 2 days.
Okay.
So I'm preparing for that.
That's the last and final.
Last and final, that's it.
Then I'm official graduate, guys.
Graduation is there? Ceremony?
We can have a graduation party.
No, right now we got a mail regarding like if you want to display your DC collection, you can in the college.
But not many people.
No, but you have to get vaccinated.
Then only you can
It's
go.
not available, so I don't know if that will be possible.
That's the thing. That's the thing. So yeah,
Nothing is not safe. I mean,
So any ceremony? Something?
it will be there online.
Online ceremony?
Yeah.
But last time I think our college did. Yeah, people went with mask. I remember that. Graduation program.
Not, okay.
So you don't have farewell also?
It might
we
be
can host a party for us.
Yeah, no farewell, no graduation program. You were last year.
Home party.
Okay, that's just documenting her work. Show.
process. I don't have much of process pictures.
Even I don't have. Good.
This is
Nice background.
simple, bro.
Done?
I think I need to add one more slide. I have few details
Okay.
like close-up pictures of pocket, sleeve, and this collar. In just 5 minutes, it will be done. Starting, I just kept the brief.
This is
And-
the paper.
Yeah, paper patterns separately. Like this is the collar, this is the sleeve, and these are the bodice.
Okay.
And at last, everything together, and then muslin fit process
Nice.
and final.
Okay, it's done.
Almost.
At
I need to
last.
change
Thank you.
this thing.
Okay, where is it? Do you complete?
Almost.
How much?
90% is done.
Okay, manufacturing process. Oh, you took Fevicol bottle, right? Hi.
First
Nice
part,
layout. You wrote those things?
I wrote those things. I drew.
Yes.
This is the first process. And the second process is injection molding.
Okay.
And this is the same process, I kept the same pictures.
Nice.
Just one change of the name.
One Fevicol bottle, this much
Undergoes
process.
this much processes.
We actually don't know these things.
And much more to attach the sticker, to fill the
Yeah, a lot
new-
of finishing things.
lot other things are also there. I don't know if I am supposed to go through those things. This is another method in which it can be made.
Okay.
This
also
is
you
again,
do this.
yeah, the fixtures. 2 fixtures, it has 2 fixtures. One for cap and nozzle and one for nozzle to the bottle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it done? Hey, thank you. Completed the job. Okay. Then what about mine?
Yo, what is about your work?
I completed my work and I submitted.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, people. So EO is having a dragon fruit for the first time.
Yeah, first time.
She's so thrilled about the color, but let's see how.
Pink is her favorite color, so she's got something she wanted. It's really attractive.
And I'm having dragon fruit for the 6th time.
Whoa! Someone's kept a count and all.
I like the taste.
Go yo.
This is good. This part is good. That's good, man.
But you didn't like it as much as you expected, didn't you? Your eyebrows are all like.
This is not good. This we can have.
I don't think you should eat that. Just eat the insides.
Shit.
Okay.
We have this white cloth here.
Okay.
So 2 people will come.
Mm-hmm.
The person guiding there can say, ask to touch the knee, toe, whatever, distract us.
Okay.
And suddenly the person will say to take the cloth.
Mm-hmm.
And whoever takes the cloth first will go to the next round.
Okay, cool. It's just like
We both might catch the cloth also.
shit.
Yeah, then it will
You
be
need to
Fight.
get the cloth.
fight.
Survival of the fittest.
Absence of my no one will catch the cloth.
Okay.
It's just like the standing sitting game we used to play in school.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. So Lit and Rix are going first.
Yes.
And Yo is the umpire. I mean, she'll be guiding. Umpire. She'll say head, knees, toes, cloth. Head, knees, toes, cloth.
I think
Okay, one more new player is here. Loki. Lokes.
Loki, come. You have other clothes to play. Loki.
Yeah, he got his toy. What? He really wants to play the game. Loki.
Loki will play together.
He felt that cloth is both.
He wants.
Okay. Walked away. Cool. So,
Ready?
yeah.
What is this? You cannot. You have to stand. That's the game. You cannot sit. No, we'll tell the things like knee, toe, head. Then you can like this and look at this. Okay.
Yeah.
We can start the game, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The game starts now. Toe, head, knee, head, toe,
Oh my god.
cloth. Yes.
Shit!
That's very easy. Lynn did
Okay.
it very quickly. Very
So-
good mastermind.
Now the umpire is Drix and the player is Io. Since Lit won the game.
Look, okay.
Cool.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, toe, cloth.
Shit, this is so fast. And Lit is scoring all the time. You know, Lit, what is the secret of the winning?
Okay, then Nev can play.
Okay. Nev.
Loki, you are not in the game. Loki is not in the game. Loki, you can be the umpire. Come. Ready? Shit.
Oh my god. Next is Jimble. Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
We'll start the game?
Yeah.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Knee, toe, toe, head, knee, cloth.
Oh, again Lit. This is. She is very quick.
Fast as a thunder.
Okay.
I think you have a good experience in this.
Yeah.
Shit, man, that is so nice. Even you know that it's a cloth, but you won't have time.
When flow happens, she takes it. Oh god. Very
One-
cute ka.
The hand movement is different. We all go like this. She goes like this. It's different.
Okay, then next Nev and Rix can try.
Yeah. You both try.
Then it's a loser game. It's a loser game. Winner is already Lit.
Loki.
Loki have other clothes.
Cloth is gone.
Okay.
Loki, you're not in the game.
I think we can include Loki as one of the partners.
Loki.
Bro, keep this here and we can play. Then he will take it.
Yeah.
I said no. We can play with that and then
Yeah, then we can play with Loki's cloth.
then only it will get interesting. I think someone should entertain him.
Someone.
He's waiting for his girlfriend from the gate. This is the correct time when she goes for a walk, and then they will have this. Have a creep at her, and then they'll have this self-investigation.
Okay, we'll start the game.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Head, toe, head, toe, knee, head, toe, head, knee, toe.
Yes, this time Nev won.
I got it. Was like almost there.
I got the thread.
Yeah, there is no fighting happening here.
No fighting. Next fighting.
It's very easy.
Both get the cloth.
Okay, next
I
time
got the thread of the cloth.
Okay, you.
Okay, I have to play with.
It's a cloth. It's a cloth.
Oh shit, yes. Ready?
Ready? Yeah. Knee, toe, head, knee, head, toe, cloth.
Yes!
But it's good.
Yeah, now listen, you can play.
Oh, she's already the winner.
It's okay, let's see.
Okay.
Okay guys,
Go.
winner, so about 3 times winner, playing 1 time. 1 time. Okay.
3 versus 1. Go.
Ready? Head, toe, knee, head,
I
toe,
can see the crisp movements.
head, toe, knee, head, toe, knee, head, toe, knee, toe, head, knee, clock.
Whoa. Yes, 3 versus 2. Going good, going good.
So 3 versus 2.
Okay, so now Drake, come to the frame. Play with you. Okay, so come on.
Okay, it's like a points.
Yeah. Slow as a snake. Okay, ready? You are slowly getting the hold on the game. Now I understand.
Getting the pace, yeah.
Okay. Ready? So head, knee, toe, head, knee, toe, knee, head, knee, toe, head, toe, knee, toe, head, toe, clock.
Yeah, again.
So now
Nev.
Nev plays with Io and Trix is the empire. Ready? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, toe. Knee, toe, knee, toe, head, knee, toe, head, knee, toe, knee, head, clock.
Oh shit!
Loki,
Yeah, Loki was about to take it.
Next Io versus Lit.
3 versus
Again. How many?
the point.
4 versus 3. 4 versus 3. Oh, this is getting.
No, Lit, I hardly want you to. Take this chain. Shit.
Loki, where is your clothes?
Looks.
The game changed, guys. The game's condition changed.
Loki is our supporter. I think Nev got distracted because of
Yeah, Loki distracted.
That happens.
Loki is the culprit.
Loki and the mosquitoes are.
Mosquitoes are the worst.
Eat it.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. I guess you first. Loki is last. Loki is also playing with us.
No.
Can you play with that? Then?
Huh?
You play with us. Let's play with us.
Tips to distract Loki.
Yeah.
Take his
Okay,
playing
let's
thing,
start
then
the
he'll be
game.
distracted.
Yeah. Guys, it's becoming dark, so we need to somehow.
It's already dark. I can barely see.
Yeah. We need to somehow conclude this game with justice. It's fine. Okay, now flip the actual clock.
This is the tip. He just wants what we are playing.
Come, let's start.
Ready?
Ready? Head, knee, toe, knee, head, toe, knee, head, toe, knee, toe, head, knee, toe, clock.
Whoa. Winner.
Who is the winner?
3 versus 5. Io, highest points.
I think we can conclude the game.
Yeah, better to conclude the game.
It's a good comment.
It's
It's a good commentator.
Yeah.
She's
Okay,
very
guys. So started with Lit, ending with Io. So, Io, the winner of the game.
Yeah.
Congratulations. This is my gift.
So the gift for you is both the clothes of Loki and us. You can use this for dressing. You can use this for garment construction.
Io is so proud of herself.
Yeah,
You can use this for anything and everything.
Okay, Loki actually got distracted by our game.
Actually, I got distracted by Loki.
I thought Loki is also coming with us for playing.
Yeah,
Like,
Loki
who will take the
almost
clothes
took it.
first?
Loki was almost there.
Loki?
Okay, so Loki is also an invisible player of our game. Like,
See, he never
He got
left the
them.
cloth.
Yeah. He got the cloth and
always
he is
the
not
winner.
going to give to us.
what? Who takes the cloth from Loki?
Now, as he have lot of attention, he won't give the cloth.
After some 5 minutes, he'll leave it there.
So, guys, it has been a lot of fun and
Never get distracted by Loki or anything else. And
game changes, guys. Like
Yeah.
it won't be
Yeah.
the same throughout the
we
game.
never expect who will be the winner and who starts the game, who ends.
But it's really fun.
Yeah.
We enjoyed this. Loki also enjoyed it. Loki, are you enjoyed it?
Yeah, he enjoyed
Oh,
it.
okay, he won the other clothes also.
No. Okay.
Okay. Bye guys, good night.
Bye.